Hey YouTube, this is Mr. Biplane Flyers. I got a couple of boxes here that I'm going to be opening up here for you so you can check it out. First box I got will be a FS GT3B radio 2.4. So we're going to open it up right this quick here. Check that out. Got the receiver and stuff here in the bag. Here's a nice radio. Looks like a nice radio. Check that out. When I get to the truck, I have got the SC10 truck made by Team Associated. There we go. You can see how it's actually packaged already. I already cut the bottom before I did the video so I can get it open quicker. But this is how it's boxed in there. Brand new. We're going to open that up real quick. Here's the book. Tells you everything about it. Extra parts. Get my knife here. Yeah. Here we go. This is actually the radio that comes with the truck. It's a nice radio. AM radio. Nice looking radio. I'll set that here so you can look at that for a second. Of course, got the antenna in that for it. Let me set this over here. You can see the radio. Nice radio. But I'm going to put the 2.4 radio in it. See this truck here. How does this? Okay, I'm gonna get it undone here. As soon as I get it out of the box, I'll be right back. Pull some tabs here. I took the tabs away. Here's the tabs that you gotta get it where you can get the truck out. There's the stickers. But yeah, here's the truck. Get it pulled out here. Get rid of this box. Alright, yeah, nice truck. I'll get you some close still shots of this truck too. Let's pull these pins. You know, also I'll be getting a video up for you us racing this truck. I'll be racing this truck and I'll get some video up there for you. Me and some buddies are going to be racing, and you guys can check out my buddy too, Get-O-78. Check out his webpage. And please subscribe if you know. Thumbs up if you like the videos, and you know. But yeah, here's the truck. Nice truck. Built solid. I like that. Ooh, I like that. I like that, how you could just screw these out, and that's where your battery's going to go. Alright, I'll be back and I'll get you some still shots. Okay, and this comes with the stock motor. It's called a Reedy motor. It's also light pole ready. And I made a mistake here. These actually turn and then you just pop it up, which makes it really nice. There it goes. See? Those just turn. They got little slots, you know, and then you pop it up, put your battery in there, set it back down and turn these. That's kind of nice. That's real nice. And here's the body. We got some cover you need to take off of it, but nice body. Get the camera and get around that. We'll set the truck down here and get the radio and check out the radio. 2.4. And the radio is a FS GT3B. This is the stock radio that came with the truck, which is an AM radio, which is a really nice radio. But where I'm racing at, we gotta go 2.4, so I gotta go 2.4. But this is a really, really nice radio for an AM radio. It's really nice. Alright, well, that was the unboxing of the truck. But me and my buddy, Gil 78, we're gonna be doing a joint video. We're gonna be doing video with both trucks, you know, and give you guys heads up on both trucks and stuff like that. And I also had an account that was called Biplane Flyers, but I kind of messed up on the account. I can't remember the password to get in there, but I also do airplanes too, so, you know, yeah, so if you guys like the video on that, don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you on YouTube.